guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Our topic for today is about data sheets. I will give you some examples of the data sheets wherein you can use the informations that I show in the slides. It's regarding what are the data sheets that we are using in our projects and so on and so forth. So this is the example only that you have a guide, okay? So this is the list of data sheets. So you can see our data sheets composed, there's an HVAC package, centrifugal compressor, lube oil, coupling, and glycol carbon filter. This is all mechanical. And we have also separator, states knockout drum, and pipeline gas knockout drum. And we have another flare drum, and then after cooler, seawater course filter, diesel pumps, oil transfer pump, seaweed slip pump, booster pump. So all of this, the sample of how you prepare your data sheets. In every feed or detailed design, this is what we are using, how to start your data sheets. You are basing, for example, we need an lip pump. So this is the data sheets that you are using. And then we have a chemical tank. So you can use this some data information which is applicable in your location and then in your project and so on. We have ball bulb, check bulb, fire water pump, and DB and B bulb. It's B switchboard, LB switchboard, power transformer, and insulation joints, flame arrestor, AC UPS system. So that's for electrical and also from the mechanical side for the bulbs and access fittings, etc. So this is all the example only. And next, we have a control bulbs, DP transmitter, and temperature gauge. There's a lot of data sheets that you need that during your feed or detailed design. So this is all of the information that you need to feed and to give information to your vendor in order that this is your requirements. So during the construction stage as well, all of the delivery and material receiving and installations, all this construction engineer, inspection engineer, they verify the data sheets based on the approved requirements, based on the standard, based on this blah blah blah. So all of this we need a reference, and then that's why the data sheets is very important in our project. Okay, and we have here points, point source lighting, power transformer, pressure gauges, and then pumps, relief valves, and then we have a rotary pump, solenoid operated valves, static AC power, and transformer, heat tracing, variable area flow meter, and tubes, and also vessels. And we have here again another electrical DB, filter, fluorescent luminaires. I'm just reading intervally in order that you can see already in the slides what kind of the data sheets that I am showing to you as an example. So this is a LV motor, linear, and then navigational aids, neutral earthing resistor, so induction motor, that's all this. And then we have another, this is all the bulbs, air cooler, heat exchanger, cable zicing, compact heat exchanger, compressor, electrical DB. There's a lot, there's a lot of data sheets. All right, so that's it. So I can show you the example data sheets in order that you have an idea what is that data sheets mean. Some of you are watching are watching right now, so you don't have any idea about the datasheets itself. So this is it. So you have a Excel file that referring to your information that you need to give your vendor. So this is the requirement: general, goods and standard, purchase data supplied. This is the requirements of your project. For example, your supply voltage, you need 6,600 volts, three phase and 50 hertz. And then if you are using American and European, so that's also difference, because some of the requirements they're using 60 hertz, some they're using 50 hertz, and then not the volts, maybe for 415 volts. It depends of the requirements, and then the variation, you need to know this. And then that's all of that repairing of your standards, applicable international standards. This is now the reference. Kaya in-explain ko earlier, yun yung mga explanation ko related sa international standard and company standards. Dito nyo ngayon ma-apply. So meron kayong guidance na gagawin nyo base doon sa international standard. So dito ngayon gagawa kayo ng datasheets. So dito na, ito na yung application. So meron kang rated fault current. So enclosure, kung ginagamit natin IP41, IP42, so IP50, 54, IP65, it depends. So what I'm telling. And then meron tayong base mounting, kung access required ba, front and rear. So interlocking system, kailangan ba ng interlocking key yan? Okay. So meron ba tayong T-plug? So kailangan ganun yan. So that's only an example of what is the datasheets itself. So that is the actual view for your info. And then we have another one. So this is a circuit breaker. So we have a panel, for example, we have a panel and then 50 kA switchgear. So that's our protection. And then the manufacturer, that's Alstom. And then work location, lagay nyo dyan, a breaker, so rated impulse voltage. Of course, usually, pag 6.6, rated insulation voltage yan, 7.2 kV. And then power frequency, and then voltage peak. Lahat nandyan, short times, current duration, short circuit current, nandyan lahat, and breaker timing, nandyan lahat ang mga information. Okay? So, kung anong kable gagamitin, so anong protection ng kable, so nandyan lahat. So, that is a sort of an example of the data sheets. And then, for the next slide, we have an star distribution panel. So, this is another data sheets example for your idea as well. So, environmental condition, this is equivalent and environmental in your location where it's your project located, and then the power system, and so on and so forth. As you can see there, degree of protection, busbar material, category, so mayroon tayong form, gland plates, so nandyan lahat ang information. Okay guys, sana magkaroon kayo ng idea at malaman nyo kung ano yung data sheets na pinipresent natin. So prior to do the data sheets, kailangan mo malaman yung international standard, kailangan mo malaman kung ano yung scope ng work. So doon tayo nagbe-base. Kaya in-explain ko earlier kung ano yung mga deliverables. At the same time, next presentation, next video, pinipresent ko kung ano yung mga international standard, company standard related dun sa project nyo. At now, you can see right now the example of the data sheets. So basically, this is the work that you are working for feed, detailed design, and then go to the phase stage and the engineering, procurement, construction, and then proceed to the construction stage, inspection stage, and pre-commissioning and commissioning, and so forth, so on and so forth. So I will explain to you all of the ideas that I have based on my experiences way back 2001 when I started an OFW as a construction engineer, and then become a designer and become an inspector and become a E&I field inspection engineer. So this is how I um, my knowledge and skills that I will share to you right now. So we'll see you next time, and hopefully that you can uh, subscribe for your next viewing my downloaded up, your downloaded video. Okay, guys, have a nice day. God bless all. Bye bye.